guys? So we're here today. This is post-graduation day. Tiffany got an iMac. She's wanted it for so long, right? So today we're rearranging her room to do an unboxing video. So stay tuned. We're gonna give you all the sweet details, specs, and all the stuff, and how we rearrange the room to make it an iMac atmosphere, I guess you can call it, right? But yeah, so stay tuned with us. We'll be back soon.
So we are finally done organizing my room, rearranging everything. Like James said, we're trying to rearrange everything, that way we can have my iMac set up. I had this desk, I had this working desk upstairs in the attic, and now that I have the iMac, and I'm so excited because I've been wanting this iMac for so long. Now that I have the iMac, I decided to transfer the desk again back to my room. So yeah, this is the desk. Little desk from IKEA. Very minimal. If you guys are interested for this desk, I'll link it so you guys can find it and order from IKEA. That's my printer. And this is a big bad boy over here. Jay is going to be my cameraman. Say what's up, babe.
What's up, guys?
Don't fall. Without further ado, let's get right into this unboxing. Okay.
Let's set it down.
Alright guys, this is really hefty. It's real hefty. But yeah, so you can adjust it, which is really cool. Back and forth. And yeah, so let's put it down. Okay. Let's put it down over here. Let's uncover, let's reveal this beautiful thing. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I have this in front of me. Alright, take off every... So yeah, as we're revealing this and unwrapping it, I've been wanting an iMac because, like, I have a MacBook Air, and I've had it for a good 6 years, and it has gotten me through my 5 years of college, and I loved it. But for the past 2 years, I've actually been loving to create content, you know, edit videos, and I can't do much on my MacBook Air. So I really wanted somewhere where I can see my video and edit it on a big screen, and what's best than editing on an iMac. So it is why I'm so excited. Ooh. Wow.
Alright, so we switched sides because I'm the more techie person. She doesn't know too much about the specs. She just knows it's a great computer. So what we have here is a 21.5-inch Retina 4K display. This is the latest version of the iMac from Apple. It's 3.0 gigahertz, 6-core Intel i5 processor. This is good for speed, multitasking, for people who loves to use Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, whatever it is, all your editing skills, everything runs smooth and fast on this computer. Right now, what we have here, which all iMacs come standard with, take it out, is the Magic Keyboard. So we have the wireless Magic Keyboard, and right here, my favorite is the Magic Mouse. Inside we have USB-C. What do we have in here? Probably some stickers like they always send. And a quick little manual. Cloth to clean the screen. Stickers, like I said. And just some startup guides. Explains everything. So it has a headphone, 3.5 jack, SD card, USB 3. It has 3 Thunderbolt USB-Cs. Yeah, that's it.
Alright guys, so that was pretty much our unboxing. I'm very excited. I can't wait until we can start editing on here. I'm so excited. It looks so nice in my room. I can't really believe I have it, but I'm so happy. I'm thankful for James and my family for getting me this iMac. Yeah, I really can't wait because now definitely there'll be a lot more videos coming out, a lot more vlogs, a lot of videos in general. One, it motivates me to create some content because hello, like look at it, do you see this? But yeah, so this is definitely motivating. Just having it here motivates me to do anything. So yeah, a lot more content coming out. I cannot wait to record, to edit videos. Look how cute it is.
Like she said, guys, can't wait to start editing. We're gonna have so much more videos coming. We're gonna finish setting this up and show you guys what it looks like when it's all said and done.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget, and hit that notification button so you can be alerted to all these new videos we're about to post.
Sir.
When we editing on this baby right here. Sorry, I'm a little too excited. I can't contain it. So anyways, later guys. Peace out. And turn it on. 3, 2, 1. Oh!